Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Instagram account. So if you want to delete your Instagram account on Instagram for some reason, I'm going to show you guys how to delete it in this video today. So it's really simple, but first things first, you're going to want to make sure that your Instagram app is all the way updated. You can do that by going to the App Store and then just updating it there. So if it's all the way updated, then next you can head over to the Instagram app. So once you've updated it, head over to the Instagram app. And you'll be brought to the home page here. You're going to want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to this page right here. And on this page, you're going to want to click on the three bars in the top right corner. If you click on that, then this page will show up right here. And you're going to want to click on the top option on this page, Settings. So you're going to want to go to the Settings page. And on the Settings page, you're going to be brought to this page right here. And you're going to look for the Account option. So look for the Account option, and once you find it, click on it. You'll be brought to this page right here, and you're going to want to scroll all the way to the bottom of this page. So if you scroll to the bottom of this page, you're going to be brought to this place right here. And right above the blue buttons, there should be an option for Delete Account. So if you click on Delete Account, then it will bring you to the Delete Account option here. And here, you can either deactivate your account instead of deleting it, or you can just delete it. If you just want to delete your account, just click Delete Account below Deactivate Account, and then it will bring you to the Delete Account option. Deactivating your account is kind of similar, but you can reactivate it if you want to. But if you want to delete it, then just click on delete and then click continue. It will bring you to this Instagram page, and here you're going to want to put in the reason why you want to delete it. So you can just choose a random reason, it doesn't really matter why. And it'll give you all these options if you do want to actually keep it. But if you don't want to, then you're just going to need to put in your password. And once you put in your password, just click on delete the account. So that blue button right below it, and if it's going to confirm it, and then once you do it, it's just going to load for a bit, and then it should delete your account. So my Instagram crashed for some reason, I'm not really sure why, but as you can see, if I go back to the account, if I try to click on it, as you can see, it's still in my account list. Then it will say that, are you sure you want to keep on using it? Because if I use it, then it will restart it, because you have to, you have 30 days to re-log into your account before it deletes all the way. So if you log in before 30 days, then you will regain the account, and it won't be completely deleted. But if you wait 30 days, then it will completely delete. So that's how you delete your Instagram account on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.